Hey, what's going on? It's Hobart. Welcome to Android University. Today we're going to learn about an application called Boot Manager. Now, Boot Manager, you have to be rooted. You have to have super user access in order to use this ROM. But once you are rooted, it's pretty cool because you're able to switch between operating systems with just a reboot. Normally, you have to make a backup for your phone, you have to flash the new operating system, sign in, boot up, set it all up again. Well, what's cool with this is you're able to boot into a new operating system ready to go with just a reboot, and I'll show you how to do it. Right now, we're on the main screen, which shows our phone ROM. Our phone ROM is the ROM we're currently on, or the operating system we're currently on, and then you have different slots. You can put as many as you want on here. Currently, I only have one, Vortex Reloaded, which is a gingerbread ROM. My phone ROM is actually an ice cream sandwich ROM, so I can go from ice cream sandwich to gingerbread with just a reboot, and I'll show you how to do it. All you have to do is hit boot ROM here, hit OK, and the phone will do its thing. It's actually going to shut down, and it's going to reboot directly from the SD card, which is something new and cool. There's my Google Boot logo. And once we see the boot animation for Vortex, we know that it has worked. Now, there are some ROMs that it will work on and some that it won't. Init2Winit Apps is the application developer. You can go to their website, init2winitapps.com, and find out which ROMs it will work with and which it won't. I do know that you have to be on a second init ROM in order for it to work when it comes to the Droid X. There are specific directions for each device. There we go. There's the boot animation, so we know we're working here. There are different devices where it will work, different devices where it won't, and different operating systems where it will and won't. But you just have to kind of try and see if it does. I got Vortex to load into a slot, and the reason I have it there is because on Ice Cream Sandwich with the Droid X, since it is a hacked version, not all the things work. So right now the camcorder is a little buggy. It actually records video in pink and green. So I go to the gingerbread ROM in order to use the stock camcorder, which works perfectly so that I can record videos. The soapbox derby race I did recently, all of that was done via Boot Manager on gingerbread. So there you go. I'm in an entirely brand new operating system with just a reboot. I'm on gingerbread Android 2.3. And this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to switch back to your phone ROM, all you have to do is go back to the Boot Manager application. It'll open it back up. Doop. Init2Winit Apps, as you see right there. Alright, now it's telling me I am booted to VXR, which is Vortex Reloaded. That's what's in my slot. It will always tell you what you're booted to. Now I want to go back to my phone ROM here. So what I'm going to do is just hit boot ROM, hit OK, and the phone will reboot now back into Ice Cream Sandwich. It's that easy. It's called Boot Manager. You can get a free version in the Google Play Store, which will let you load one operating system, or you can get the paid version, which will allow you to load as many operating systems as you want. And it's definitely worth the price, just a few bucks. Now, if everything goes all right, we'll see the CyanogenMod 9 boot animation, which is right there. That means that we're going back to Ice Cream Sandwich, back to our phone ROM, and back to where we were before we started. Once again, this is called Boot Manager. It is in the Google Play Store. It allows you to boot different operating systems from your SD card. Go give it a try. My name is Hobart. This is Android University. Have a great day.